What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Big City Blues by Lil Peep. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing. I bring you weekly guitar videos and tutorials on your favorite songs. I make them as easy as possible for you. Also, when the video is done, check the description below. I've left a free ebook there called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Just a little gift for you guys coming to the channel, checking out the content. It's great for all skill levels. Go get your ebook after the video. For now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, this song is relatively straightforward. You're only using 4 chords. Your first one is C. Your second one is E major. Then you're going to A minor. And then F major. I'll leave the tabs for the chords in the description below. Your C is your index finger on your first fret on your B string, your middle finger on your second fret on your D string, and your third fret on your A string for your ring finger. E major is first fret index finger on your D string, second fret middle finger on your A string, second fret middle ring finger on your D string. A minor is that same exact formation, just move all of your fingers up one string. So that's index finger on first fret on B string, middle finger on third fret or second fret on D string, ring finger on third or second fret on G string. And then finally your F chord is going to be you're barring your entire first fret with your index finger, ring finger third fret A string, pinky finger, third fret D string, middle finger, second fret G string. Strumming pattern for the song is also very simple. It's just down, 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 up, down, 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 up for all the chords. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. One more time, it's a little bit slower. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to get your free ebook in the description below. Go to the comment section and leave any questions or concerns or comments you may have or songs you'd like me to teach you there, and we will see you in the next video.